You open your phone, another bill. You check your bank account, it's not enough. You Google how to make money online for the 100th time, but all you find are expensive courses, scams, and side hustles that take forever to start. You're tired. You're frustrated. You want freedom, but you have no idea where to begin. Now, imagine if there was a tool that could take your ideas, your interests, your skills, and turn them into a real business. A tool that costs nothing to use, and works like your personal startup team. That tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's your brainstorm partner, your content writer, your marketer, and your strategist, all in one. And today, I'll show you how to use it to go from $0 to $5,000 per month, without coding, design, or business experience. This is your step-by-step guide to building a real side hustle using the power of AI. Most people fail before they even begin, because they don't know what hustle to start. But ChatGPT makes it simple. You just ask, what side hustles match my interests in fitness, tech, and creativity? And boom, ideas tailored exactly to you. Freelance writing, selling digital templates, starting a niche newsletter, offering coaching. Ideas you never even thought of start flowing. This isn't random. It's personalized. It's fast. And it works. Now, before wasting time building the wrong thing, ChatGPT helps you validate. Is there a market for your idea? Who's your audience? What are people already paying for? Just ask, what problems do students have with productivity, or is there demand for digital planners for moms? Within seconds, you have data, keywords, insights, and direction. You're no longer guessing. You're building smart. Every great hustle needs a strong identity. A name. A voice. A message. But instead of hiring a branding agency, you ask. Give me 10 catchy names for a minimalist candle business. Write me a mission statement for a productivity coaching brand. And suddenly, you have a brand that looks legit. You sound confident. You look professional. You're ready to show the world. Next comes content. The lifeblood of your hustle. Emails. Instagram posts. Product descriptions. It usually takes days, unless you use ChatGPT. Say, write an Instagram caption promoting my new meal planner for busy dads. Or, give me 5 tweet ideas about building digital income streams. Done in seconds. Your hustle has a voice. A message. And now, it's getting attention. Once things are rolling, it's time to scale. Want to build an email funnel? ChatGPT will write every email. Launching a course? It can write the lessons, scripts, and sales page. Need chatbot responses or a YouTube script? Just ask. You're not just hustling. You're building systems. You're not just working harder. You're working smarter, with AI as your co-founder. You started with $0. $0. Zero clue. Now you've got a plan, a product, a brand, and momentum. The difference between people who talk about making money and those who do, is action. So here's your move. Drop your side hustle idea in the comments. I'll give you custom ChatGPT prompts to get started. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't scroll past your future. This is your moment. Because the road from $0 to $5,000 per month? It starts with one question. And ChatGPT has the answer.